Hi, my name is Annette, and this is my BP. And I'm a maintenance and reliability engineer at the BP Whiting Refinery. I've been there 3 years full-time this summer, but my career with BP actually started with an internship back in 2006. I work in a refinery, which is where gasoline and diesel and jet fuel products are made for our everyday travel. I help take care of the equipment that is there and specify the technical requirements for any repairs. This role is very important in that you really are there with the operators, with the mechanics, at the pipe or at the pump, and you're really understanding what these issues mean to the greater refinery. Whether it's hydrocarbon or water, or there might be zebra mussels coming in from Lake Michigan, you're standing there right next to them in your fire retardant coveralls and hard hat, safety glasses, goggles. Part of my job is providing the technical specifications to make repairs to equipment or piping. And to do that, I need to understand pipe metallurgy, the different pressure ratings for equipment. So you need to understand your statics and mechanics, your fluid dynamics, thermodynamics, electricity and magnetism, and especially working in a refinery is like working in an engineer's playground. Working at BP, it's never boring.